Dangerous weapons were brought inside St. James Hospital, prompting an investigation by Butte Silverbow Police. The Butte Silverbow Police Department received a call on April 14th at 7:30 p.m. from staff at St. James Hospital that a woman arrived with weapons in her possession. The woman had come in asking for treatment when staff checked her belongings to find a loaded .22 caliber handgun and what appeared to be a pipe bomb in a duffel bag she brought with her. Lester says the officers that responded looked at the bomb and carefully took it from hospital grounds.
We have those items in our possession now. They were able to determine that the device was stable enough for transport, of course, and wasn't an immediate threat, so we removed it.
The Butte Silverbow Police Department was able to determine the firearm belonged to the woman, but what concerns them the most is the origin of the explosive found in her possession.
We're just focused on the device itself and how it was created and the origin of the device, and then we'll go from there. But it's going to take a while to clear this thing up.
Lester says there will be charges at some point, but the department wants to get the full picture before making their next move.
We'll have more information as it goes on, and it's one of those things that we want to make sure that we have all the information before we make a decision.
The case is currently under investigation. In Butte, Caitlin Aguilez, MTN News.